along with us for breakfast at Tasty's POV. Tasty's has long been one of our favorite spots to grab breakfast on Anguilla. Now with this beautiful view gazing out to sunny ground, it is a favorite for many to start off the morning. First, we kick things off with a coffee, followed by refreshing strawberry and passion fruit mimosas. As we gaze out at the stunning view of sunny ground, it's clear that there's no better way to enjoy a meal. Our breakfast spread included the classic French toast with eggs and bacon. Next, the saltfish and boiled egg, avocado, and fluffy Johnny cakes. And my favorite, the avocado toast topped with perfectly cooked over easy eggs. That was breakfast at Tasty's POV. It is still one of the best places to grab breakfast. If you do visit, you have to get the French toast. Chef Dale does such a great job. Be sure that Tasty's POV is on your to-do list on your next visit to Anguilla. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.